Hola, hola. All right, today we are going to start watching a movie. So if you are not here, then you're not going to be able to watch it, but because it's through Amazon, you have to pay for it. So anyway, so if you're not here, you are still responsible for knowing what's happening in the movie. So you just have to talk to other people and find out what was going on. But before we even get to that, I want you to respond in English. Some facts that you might know about the Dominican Republic or what you do know about it. So here are some examples. Is it a big or a small country? What language do they speak there? What do you think the country is like? What is the weather like? If you look at this picture, you can kind of get an idea because this is a picture from the Dominican. And then, is it a rich or a poor country, right? So if you don't know what to say, then answer those questions. All right, quick reminder that if you missed any of the midterms, listening, reading, speaking, or the writing, then you need to make them up today in class, only if you're in person, never when you're at home. And a reminder that if you're absent and you forget to arrange a time to take them, then they're just going to be a zero. That's not good. Unit 4 writing, if you wanted to do a retake, I haven't even started to grade those, so this might get changed a little bit. But if you want to do a retake, you do have that, right? And you just have to get me a retake form. And again, we'll see this. I haven't even started grading them, so it's kind of hard to know whether or not you want to do a retake. Today is technically tomorrow is the start of March, but today we're going to start our March Madness, Mania Musical. So we're going to watch these two videos. Before we even do that, I'm going to give you guys a little piece of paper, and you're going to just make your quick predictions, right? We have no idea. We've not listened to any of these, so who knows what's going to happen, but it'll still be fun. So go through, and then we are going to watch our first one and our second one. So la mitad and inicio, and then place your vote. When you want to vote, it's right there. That's the link. And then after, you're going to talk. So what do you like more? Me gusta más número uno o número dos? And then remember, all of these, we saw those a while ago. Then we're going to start. El Pelotero, that is the name of the film. It also means ball player. So here's another picture of the Dominican. So before we even start, I just want you to reflect. If you're at home, if you're in person, you're going to talk. But what sports, hobbies, or activities are you passionate about? Is there anything that's just like, I don't know, I have some people who live and breathe dance, or who play every single sport under the sun, and they just can't imagine a day going by where they don't have something fun or active like that. It could even be like a craft or something else that you do. So what are you passionate about, and to what length would you go to accomplish something that was important to you? Like, would you put your life on hold to help somebody else? Would you travel across the world? Would you go somewhere where you don't even know the language? You're not even familiar with the food? What would you do? Right? Then back to kind of what our warm up was about. What do you remember about the Dominican? And are there any famous baseball players that are from there? If so, who? Hint, there are a ton. Miguel Cabrera is not one of them. He's from Venezuela. Then after that, we are going to start watching the film. And as we're watching, you're going to answer some questions. And that's it. Bueno, this page for the questions, I think it's in Schoology, but if not, there is a hard copy here that you can grab. So that's all we have. See you guys tomorrow. Ciao.